Okie doke. Another.
Exciting.
Sure. Box.
Colorful.
Well.
Neon.
Hanger box of 2020, 2021 Flux. There you are.
Okay. Is there a special way to open?
Just like I would do it, just like I do the other packs.
Just like a pack of cards. Okay. All right. Here we go. Hamadou Diallo.
Hamadou.
Evan Fournier.
And he's not with the Celtics anymore.
Kevin Love. I think I know him.
And he's not with the Cavaliers anymore.
Victor
I think
Oladipo.
Oladipo. He is with the Heat.
DeJounte Murray.
He's with the Spurs still.
R.J. Barrett.
He is not with the Knicks anymore.
Bojan Bogdanovic. Dwayne Bacon. Nikola
Vucevic. Vucevic, yeah.
Or something like
Oh,
that.
we got 2 blue ones. Oh, wow.
Harrison Barnes.
A blue and another blue.
This looks different.
Yeah, that's an insert.
Isaac
Okoro.
Mm-hmm.
2 blue ones. How do you like that? Ah, thank you. And that's an insert, and it really doesn't look that great, though.
Looks pretty colorful. Zach Levine.
Okay, these are the laser prisms.
Corey Joseph.
Mm-hmm.
Shake Milton.
Mm-hmm.
Or is that Snake?
No, it is Shake.
Vernon Carey Jr. rookie card.
Okay, Vernon Carey Jr. rookie. We had him in the last thing. Laser prism rookie.
Facundo Campazzo rookie card.
What the heck? Oh!
Anthony Edwards
Finally!
rookie card.
Yeah, finally
He's
got
a
him.
good guy.
He
I
is.
just saw him on TV.
Yeah. They lost to the Thunder though, but this is a good one. Got to be worth $1 or $2.
Alek
Anthony Edwards.
Pokusevsky. I really struggled with that one.
That's a tough one. Alexej post. Yeah, it's a J at the end there. Alexej. If it's hard to read, turn it backwards so you can. It's bigger.
Okay. Daniel Oturo, rookie. And last one, Desmond Bain, rookie.
Desmond Bain, and he is still with them. He's pretty good. He's been doing very well since Ja Morant's been out.
Oh, Ja.
Yep.
I gave you 2 chances, and then you get hurt.
Okay, yay, we finally got Anthony Edwards. Couldn't have been a blue one or a pink one or a laser one?
Or a clear one, acetate.
Yeah, maybe I'll get more of these. If they go on sale half price, I might. Hey, Anthony Edwards and Tyrese Halliburton are good. It's their rookie year. Not at full price, though.
No.